Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Anugrah Wibisana as the lecturer of subject RE 203, uh, Actuator and Drive System. And this time I will presentation about my simple circuit diagram about pneumatic. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Fairuz with NIM 4222401043. Okay, this is my simple circuit diagram to pneumatic. I use compressor, three half valve with push button, and this is the two pressure two pressure valve, and this is the five valve pilot valve, and this is the flow control, and the last the double actuator cylinder. So I will explain how to the circuit diagram is works. Uh, at the beginning of the circuit, there are two push buttons, each of the three half normally closed. When push either button is pressed individually, compressor air flow out the button. However, this air is not sufficient to activate the cylinder because both buttons are connected to two pressure valve. So if I take the button like this, the cylinder not works. Also knows this two pressure valve is N valve. This component only allow air to pass through if both input receive air pressure simultaneously. Therefore, both push button must, must be present at the same time to allow the air continue to the circuit like this. Okay. Once both buttons are present, the airflow to the left pilot port of 5 point, sorry, 5 half direction control valve. This causes the spool inside the valve to shift position, direction, compressed air from the supply port to the left side of the cylinder. Before reaching the cylinder, the air pass out a flow control valve with a built-in check valve, which regulates the flow. In the case, I use the flow control 2.7500. So if I press the two button, the cylinder move too slow because I set the flow control 2.75 and 2.75%. When when both buttons are released, air stop flowing the pilot port and the internal spring in the 5.2 volt return the spool to the original position like this. This reverse the airflow direction, sending compressor air to the right side of the cylinder, causing it to retard. At the same time, the air from the left side of cylinder is exhaust to another flow path, which is I said in the flow control is 27.6% because this valve allows more air to flow control. Uh, because this valve allow more air to flow compared to the one on the exhaustion side. So if I release the button, the cylinder move move to faster, but if I press the button. So this is my explain about my circuit diagram, simple circuit diagram pneumatic. That's all to my presentation. If any mistake, I apologize. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.